Sure event, an event which is going to happen at any circumstances, which is always happen whenever the experiment is performed. That event is called sure event. So an event, sure event means an event which has 100% probability of occurring is called sure event. Another definition for sure event is an event which occurs always whenever experiment is performed. Whenever the experiment is done, that event occurs. That is for sure. That's why it is called sure event, and its probability is probability of sure event is 1. Next is impossible event. Impossible means that is not going to happen. An event which cannot occur or cannot happen is called impossible event. An event that cannot occur. Example for sure event. Suppose if we are rolling a die, if a die is thrown, we can get a number which is less than 6 or equal to 6. Definitely we are going to get only one number. That is sure event. An impossible event means on a die we can see 6 faces and the 6 numbers will be there. If we are expecting 7 digit to come on the upside or one face, that is 7, then it is not going to happen. So that is impossible event, and its probability is 0. Probability of impossible event is 0. Fourth problem. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Only lemon flavored candies are present in a bag. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. Without seeing, she is taking out one candy. So we have to find what is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy. So we have to find the probability of getting an orange flavored candy, and in second bit we have to find probability of getting lemon flavored candy. Now let us start. In solution, let us write what is given. Given a bag contains only lemon flavored candies. Lemon flavored candies. For first bit, we are taking an orange flavored candy. So taking an orange flavored candy. As we know that the bag is full of lemon flavored candy, so there is no chance of taking out an orange flavored candy. So such an event where we are not getting an event which we require, such event is called impossible event. So taking an orange flavored candy is an impossible event. So it's an impossible event, and hence for impossible event the probability is 0, and hence the probability is 0. Next, second bit, we have to take out the probability of lemon flavored candy. The bag is full of lemon flavored candy, and whenever we take out any candy any time, so we get only lemon flavored candy. That's why this event where it is confirmed or where it is sure or certain that we are going to get only lemon flavored candies, such an event is called sure event. So taking a lemon flavored candy is a sure event. For sure event, the probability is always 1, and its probability is 1.